everyone, John Cruz here at Worldwide Auctioneers, inviting you to the 54th annual Auburn Auction and Show this Labor Day weekend right here in Auburn, Indiana, the classic car capital of the world. One of my favorite pre-war American classics is the early Auburn Boattail Speedster, like I'm standing by right now. This car has had a spectacular restoration by Mark Clayton. It was restored to be a high point, high level show car and to win. This car won Best Speedster in the year of the Speedster right here in Auburn at the ACD Club reunion. Doesn't get any better than that. The color combination, its functionality, and of course, just the grace, beauty, and power and speed that this car represents. It doesn't even have to be moving, and it looks like it's going 100 miles an hour. Come check this out and other great pre-war American classics right here in Auburn. Get registered to bid, and we'll see you at the auction.